Yeah, we're promoting that them things, the Irish mash. Irish mash have 92 of the, minerals in your body. So, those are the times things I try to get into the body as the body ages.
Yeah, right. Now you did
Yeah.
say earlier about that parental influence, yeah, and you
Okay.
greeted us in the name of His Majesty. Now, is that coming
Right.
from parental influence, or did you find Rasta on your own?
On my let me make it. Yeah, on my own. Totally on well, not say totally on my own, but it was not a parental influence. I was the first youth in my family to start grow locks and the only Rasta. Well, me have dreadlocks for Rasta. Because
Mm.
it's to each. I cannot determine. You understand? But the first Rasta in my family. Um Found Rastafari too looking for the Almighty. And was just so soul searching myself to find the most high. I was young. I
Hmm.
was in church at the time. When time I really come to terms with it, I couldn't grow my locks.